I want to give a testimonial of my experience at the Thai Yoga Center. This class was level 3 Northern style Thai Yoga. Nuad Boran. August 2023. It was one of the best classes I have experienced of the many classes provided by SomaVeda Integrated Traditional Therapies. I live in Brooksville, Florida, not very far from this place, but I was able to meet a bunch of people of the same mindset as me, who wants to become a naturopath, who wants to use these techniques to help people. And all I gotta say is, being this is not the first time I've been here, every time I come here I learn something new, and it opens up my mind to things that I've never learned before. And if you're ever interested in learning something outside of the allopathic pharmaceutical industry, and you actually want to help people with something that has been time tested for thousands of years, seriously, give SomaVeda a shot. Just go to the website, thaiyogacenter.com, and look at all the information on there. It's seriously amazing. All right, thank you.